Hello everyone and welcome back to Best Bit Streamer, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can download Steam on your PC and install it. So first and foremost, you want to go to your Steam page, the website page obviously. From there you're going to see this option called Install Steam. Then what you want to do is press on Install Steam and then press on Install Steam once again. Now my Steam is going to get downloaded via IDM, and I just want to press on download and then I just want to open the file. Now, as you can see, Steam is over here, and next thing you want to do is next. Now, I already have Steam installed, so I'm going to cancel this installation, but all you want to do is select where Steam gets installed, and yeah, it's deleting the files for now, but I'm just going to cancel the installation, which if you have Steam installed, you can, but other than that, it's not really needed. So yeah, that's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.